Hello everybody and welcome to the next lesson. In this lesson we are going to talk about layers. First of all, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Next I'm going to click on the layers dialog. And the layers dialog appear and we see we are already working in layer 1. Don't forget that down here in the information bar we can also see information about the layer we are currently have selected, whether it's visible or locked, and the name of the layer. So let's change the name of layer 1. We click on it and then double click on it and type rectangle. And we want to add another layer. So I'm going to click on this plus. I have the option to type the layer name and the position, either above current, below current, or as sublayer of current. I'm going to select above current and click on add. If I want to remove this layer, I just select it and click on the subtract sign. So let's click on add and I'm going to name the layer ellipse. And I'm going to position it above the current. And on top of on this layer, I'm going to draw a ellipse, as you may have guessed. Here we have the possibility to lower or raise the layer. I'm going to select the ellipse layer and I'm going to click on lower. And here we see that the layer is now below the rectangle layer. I also have the ability to raise the layer. I'm going to click up here to raise the layer. We've got blend mode. Blend mode shows the way that the layers behave with one another. Normal just means that the layer on top is drawn on top and the layer below that is drawn below. We can also select multiply. Multiply means that the layer on top is actually used to darken the layer below. This is very similar to darken. In this case, the results are in fact identical. But there is a technical difference between the two, but I will not go into that such detail right now. We also have screen. Screen is used to lighten the layer below. So the top layer lightens the layers below, which is also very similar to lighten. Because the colors are pure, again, we see no difference between lighten and screen, but if we didn't have such pure colors we might see a difference. I will not talk about the technical differences between the two. Remember, for now, just remember multiply and darken darkens the layers below, and screen and lighten it. 99% of the cases I stay on normal though, so we don't really need to worry about it. Next we have these two icons next to each layer. For example, the eye icon shows whether the layer is visible or not. I can make the eye icon, I can click on the eye icon to make the layer invisible when the eye is closed. I also have this padlock, which means I can lock the layer. If I lock the layer, I cannot edit it. For example, I now try to draw another ellipse, but nothing happens. I try to select this ellipse, and it selects the rectangle beneath, and automatically switches layer to the object I'm selecting. So, thanks for watching. That was all concerning layers. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.